As you're hearing, the clock is ticking steadily towards that fateful game that will precede that other fateful game for the Reggae Boyz. And of course, we're hearing rumors about the makeup of the squad. But it doesn't matter the odd new player or two. The core of the team will remain. And the haunting question continues to be, can head coach Rudolph Speed, a man who was there or thereabout, can this same core of players who were also there and thereabout when the Reggae Boyz executed the biggest flop in World Cup qualifying history? We cannot and must not allow the JFF, the team, or the players to forget that it was the 189th ranked Bermuda, the 100th ranked Trinidad and Tobago, and the 82nd ranked Curacao. Those were the teams we got to top and we flop. And these players and coaches and administrators should constantly be reminded that they owe Jamaica, even as the clock continues to tick and talk.